Corey. All right, same procedure as last time, okay? Team win. You ready?
That was adorable.
Please.
Run! Stop and up.
All right, this is your second chance to do a cartwheel. Go.
I'm not gonna do a cartwheel, Corey.
Told me you were gonna do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
Naughty boy.
You can't do a cartwheel regular.
Yeah, you're just gonna land on it.
Yeah. No thanks.
Ow, my butt. Right.
A foot! A car!
Found a pocket. He's like, I found a pocket on my foot. Whoa, look at the sun rays. Pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it coming over that cloud.
Yeah. That car's stopping.
Almost smells like poop. That smell is really
I know, and that's like...
Wow, these things off-road.
They sure do. But there's no cleanup, so.
No cleanup.
To come by with,
Why is that way?
Super noisy!
What?
It's super noisy!
Those those are cobwebs.
Look at this. It's burning to ashes.
Now your 50 cents worth there. That's right.
Right.
2 cars.
It's almost done. Right on, you're right.
Nita.
Yeah, the car don't care. He's like, all right, I'll pass by.
Like the storm clouds there and then.
Isaac, stay here. There's a car.
All right, everyone stay.
Yep.
Perfectly still. I was a chase.
Very still.
I can only sense movement.
Ready? Let's do our next firework.
You wanna do it?
What? Yeah? No! Do our satellite. Do our satellite. No. I would like to do it. No, mine.
You're responsible for other people's safety. We're gonna mow the lawn now.
Okay.
And it's done.
And then you're done? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if we're done, but we're trying to wait for the dark.
Or at least twilight.
Run!
Oh!
How'd you set it up?
What a rush.
Did you set it upside down?
Isaac, did you put it right
It's
side
our
up
turn.
or upside down?
I put it right
You want to do something a little bigger?
So that's right side up.
Alright, I got a little something bigger for you.
Run! What? That was crazy!
Take it around.
Oh my god!
Alright. I'm gonna light another one and then we're gonna shoot this guy off.
Shoot what guy?
His name is Dark.
Run.
Run, run, run! Whoa! That was cool.
Go pick it up.
Yep.
Give me the punk.
Yeah. Not at him. Down.
Same procedure, you get over here.
I want to see it. Can I see it, Dad?
Ready?
What?
Corey, can you get out of the way?
Yes, sir.
Please. Go.
Fine.
Light it up.
It looks like yours.
Run, run, run.
Look.
Woo!
Yeah.
That's a lot of smoke.
What else? Hold on. What was the other one?
There's no way that was 48.
48? 48 what?
It was supposed to have 48 shots.
Yeah, that was not 48.
Pour some water on
Alright,
it.
so you stay here. Why don't you stay here and Daddy go check it out?
That was a pub.
Stay here.
Cyrus, stay here.
Daddy's gonna pour water on it.
I think that was about 48 shots.
It was like maybe 20, maybe.
So what are we gonna do next? So what we do
I'm sorry, Cyrus. At least you got to see a little bit of it.
Well, it probably was like little bitty ones, and then the other one we probably didn't see the little bitty ones.
We have really big ones.
Yeah.
Cyrus, don't play in the water.
What you doing now, Dad? What you doing now?
We're dancing.
Debbie, light up this noisemaker.
Why don't we wait on that one? Let's wait till it gets a little darker for the last one.
So what do we do next?
We gotta stick on the bottle rocket.
Yeah, let's do those big rockets. Dad, maybe do those big rockets. Well, it's getting dark. Getting dark.
Slowly, but yes, it's getting darker.
Dad, are we gonna place all of them right there? Are we gonna place all of them right there? Then can we place them in the grass in a row?
No. Cyrus, come here.
So what you gonna do?
I'm coming.
Oh, so that's what it's for. Run!
Stop.
Ah!
Stop, watch.
Lame.
Whoa!
What?
Was way up there.
Do it that way.
Yeah, it echoed.
Do it that way.
Yeah, they're fun.
Holy.
Woo!
Holy guacamole.
Holy guacamole!
Subway's are the best.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, holy guacamole.
That's proper Christmas right there.
I prefer that one.
Woo!
Well, these are bottle rockets. These aren't as dangerous as the other things. Nah, if you don't do it right.
They're all dangerous, babe. That's what you tell
I
them.
said it not as
Woo!
It's up in the air. Look up. Whenever I show it, tell you look up. Watch them. You'll see them going into the air. Okay?
That made you do two? That made you do two? Dad, I want you to do two.
Watch. Ready?
It's super high.
He's like,
All right, back up
Yeah.
to this one. Back up.
What are you gonna do, Corey?
Backing up.
Oh,
That's what you're doing. Worry about you, not what Uncle Corey's doing.
Woo! That may you do the rest. May you do the rest. That may you do the rest.
Oh.
I have water right here for him.
Hey, Dad, can you do the rest? Dad, can you do the rest?
You right, Oma?
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah, I'm alright.
Isaac, why are you knocking Oma? That's not nice.
I'm gonna go see what Cyrus is doing. Daddy's gonna do all the rest.
Get it? Oh, you got a snack.
Woo! Dad, are you gonna do the rest? Dad, are you gonna do the rest?
Uncle Corey was always better with the bottle rocket things.
I don't know how you did now.
Then can I light them up?
Really?
Can I light them?
You can like this one if your dad wants to let
Yeah,
you to.
that's fine. Whatever.
I really hope Mom's okay with this vase.
Mom,
She's okay.
are you okay?
She is. Here.
Mom.
So, you see this? It's a cluster. You do one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You do one, it'll light all of them, and then you back. So just light one of them and then run away.
Run away. Just one.
Push it in there. Oh, no, stop. It's not going to light if you do it like that. It's a delicate process, bud.
You want the stick lighter?
No, I'm good.
Well, because you're.
Run away.
Next time you're not lighting fireworks with the camera. That's not happening anymore. Well, at least not whenever I help you.
Dad, are you doing all the rest? Dad, did you do the rest?
Yeah, I did the rest of that pack.
All right, Dad. What to do next?
You know there's like a gross and there's like that.
Dad, what to do next? Maybe
You
I'll
want
do.
to do the lantern?
Maybe
Oh,
those.
that should be hung.
Or does it?
You have a really good place to be.
Dad, do you want to do one of the big ones? Dad, don't light those up.
Can you do it off a hanger, like you know how you put the planters in the ground, Corey, and then?
Yeah, we have to.
What? You're scaring my bunny rabbit. What did you say?
Sorry, buddy.
Oh, the bunny? You killed it? Can you do it off that?
You killed it?
No, it's just.
No, I mean,
Dad, are you gonna do one of the noisemakers? Oh. Dad, get in front of the camera. Dude. Hold what? Yes, I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
Are you talking about like?
yeah, we have a bigger one than that, though. It's taller than that one.
You're just holding it right now, but.
We can't do that one here. We're gonna have to wait till like go home when we have a bigger
dang.
planter, you know, that
I was gonna wait a little bit. I also have.
bigger one. Good job.
So guys, what are we doing?
Probably just use the top.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're at the mighty story.
Maybe do that. Maybe
Oh,
do that.
yeah, okay. I just assumed that.
He has the material. We'll wait for those to do.
Can maybe do the mighty Thor?
Not yet.
Not Thor.
Like top, I believe.
Okay. Okay, Paul.
We're gonna see what happens with them.
Okay.
And they don't fly. I think they just spin.
Yeah, I
There's
think we
nothing
just
else about
spin.
them. Alright, Cyrus, you wanna watch this?
Dad, can I light it? Can I light it? Can I light it, Dad? Can I light it?
Try to get it flat.
Cyrus is gonna want it.
Flat as you can.
Why can't I light it?
Dude, you've lit in way more stuff than he has. Cyrus,
Sorry,
are you just wanna watch?
Yeah, he wants to watch it.
You don't wanna light it?
Yeah!
Isaac, get back.
Yeah!
It's gonna be like a top. You know, like your fidget spinner. Alright, go back. Turn around.
Oh, I was like, what was that? That is so loud. Here. Don't touch it.
How did you
Magic.
do that?
Don't touch it, Cyrus. It's hot.
That was loud as heck! Mom, that was loud as
Your mattress
heck!
popped, didn't it? Yeah, my
Like father, like son.
mattress. Oh. My ear popped. Yeah. Like a thing on the floor. The things always move because I'm large and I fall into it. I had them on the couch too. I fall into the gap.
And maybe like that? Like that?
Worn out. Orange in this guy.
So, Dad, can we do that? together and then put some sand and then across from there. And Dad, may I light it? May I light it?
I don't want to.
May I light it, Dad?
Well, do you want to save anything for tomorrow?
No. I want to do as much
Sound like a horsey.
I want to do as much as we can.
Tires. What are you doing?
I want to do as much as we
Their
can.
yard has poop in it.
Dad, I want to do as much as we can.
Is that you, Corey?
Yeah.
Well, Corey, if I'm not recording anything, then I'm gonna stop.